Hey everybody, Remington's dad. Just going to take a quick look at the Fixxxer brand armorer's tool. So mine came in a combo pack with the front sight removal tool. There's a couple bucks more to add in that armorer's tool. So when I got that versus just getting the front sight tool. And so some of the things that you could use it for, which would be changing out your back straps. So I've got my Glock 34 and the armorer's tool. So just one of the pins that you can use to push out, and that kicks out that little extended backstrap pin if you've already changed that out from the little factory backstrap. So if you want to change back straps, just put the other size on that you want and kind of push that pin back through. You can use that flat side, the armorer's tool, just kind of get exactly where you want it. And obviously I need to clean my 34, but let's quick look at that armorer's tool from the Fixxxer brand. Like I said, I got it on Amazon, and it came in 3 days from when I ordered, so pretty quick processing and shipping, and so far seems to do the job. So thanks for watching.